In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Costco Travel. First, membership. You need an active Costco membership to book through Costco Travel. There are two membership levels: Gold Star and Executive. Executive members get 25% cashback on Costco Travel purchases. Then Access. Visit the Costco Travel website. Log in with your Costco membership credentials. After that, search. Use the search bar to find your desired travel type. You can filter by dates, price, and other criteria. Then booking. Once you find a suitable option, select it and follow the prompts to complete your booking. You can also call Costco Travel customer service for assistance. And the last one is payment. You can pay for your booking using a credit card or debit card. Executive members can use their Costco Anywhere Visa card to earn 3% cashback on travel purchase. So that's how you can use Costco Travel.